OEC Parts Central Billing software has enabled vehicle manufacturers to maximize and administer national pricing agreements that increase genuine parts sales through the trusted central billing platform for over 15 years. By working closely with the world's largest brands, OEC has developed a system that fits perfectly into day-to-day operations and enables dealer networks to bill at rates set for each national customer. Parts Central Billing creates transparency on national pricing agreements for the dealer network, local dealers and local outlets, as well as providing the ability to set own discounts for all part groups, discount structures for current customers, rates for national customers, discounts for fleet customers buying from different dealers. Fleet customers then have access to the national network of dealers to purchase genuine parts from and get deliveries to local workshops at competitive and consistent prices. With built-in protections, duplicate order entries and incorrect purchase orders are a thing of the past. On a monthly basis, your customers receive a single consolidated invoice for purchases across the dealer network, simplifying the financial reconciliation process and increasing efficiency. Dealer networks benefit from Parts Central Billing by gaining an increase in parts sales revenue without having to chase customers or the administrative hassle of invoicing each workshop. Additionally, DMS integration and the automated transaction upload system removes the need for double entries and reduces the headache caused by using multiple platforms. That's why major manufacturers trust Parts Central Billing to manage national pricing agreements. Parts Central Billing is also recognised by many large insurance companies and fleets in the UK. This makes moving your trade programme to Parts Central Billing a swift, easy process. Parts Central Billing provides flexible options to choose from, including a consolidated billing-only platform and handling the process yourself, or a full cash management programme, where OEC handles incoming and outgoing payments. Currently, Parts Central Billing handles over £3 million in transactions and over 200,000 transactions each month. Plus, the reporting suite provides a comprehensive breakdown of system information, including top-performing parts, most active dealers, and fleets generating the most revenue, enabling you to analyse areas of opportunity to increase your parts sales further. With Parts Central Billing, OEC gives you the power to manage strategic national pricing agreements through a trusted system that facilitates an increase in your genuine parts sales. Learn more about trade services and Parts Central Billing at oeconnection.com.